Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Theo van Gogh, the brother of Vincent van Gogh and also the film director who was killed in Amsterdam on November 2nd, 2004. This is the way we say Theo van Gogh. Theo van Gogh. There is a light emphasis on the last name. Theo van Gogh. Theo van Gogh. Theo van Gogh. Theo van Gogh. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments. And we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!